Hi students, today we are going to start the next topic, tangents and normals. In this section, we shall use differentiation to find the equation of the tangent line and the normal line to a curve at a given point. In the previous year, we had studied that the equation of a straight line passing through a given point x0, y0 with slope m is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. We know that the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point x naught y naught is dy by dx at x naught y naught is equal to f dash of x naught. We know that slope, we can find slope with dy by dx. If it is at a point x naught y naught, we can represent the slope by dy by dx at x naught y naught. So the slope of the function or slope of the curve, look at the curve, slope of the curve y is equal to f of x. Let this be a curve. Slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at the point, let it be x naught y naught, at the point x naught y naught is dy by dx at x naught y naught, that is equal to f dash of x naught. Now let us look at the equation of the tangent. We can look at the equation of, we know that the slope of this tangent is f dash of x naught. Then we can find out this equation of this tangent at x naught y naught. What will be the equation? We know that it is a straight line. We know that the equation of a straight line is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught, where m is the slope of that line. So we can find the equation of this tangent here. Here y minus y naught is equal to, here slope is f dash of x naught. So f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. This is the equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent is y minus y naught is equal to f dash of x naught into x naught x minus x naught. And also we know that the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent. This is the normal. Normal is perpendicular to the tangent there. So we know that slope of the tangent is f dash of x naught. Then the slope of the normal will be its negative reciprocal. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by f dash of x naught. Slope of the normal is negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. So if the slope of the normal is, slope of the tangent is f dash of x naught, slope of the normal is minus 1 by f dash of x naught. Now we can look at the equation of the normal there. Equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at x naught y naught. That is same equation we are using. Y minus y naught is equal to, instead of f dash of x naught, here slope is minus 1 by f dash of x naught. So we have to write minus 1 by f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. Or the equation of the tangent as y minus y naught is equal to f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. Then the equation of the normal is y minus y naught is equal to minus 1 by f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. Now we can look two particular cases here. If slope of the tangent line is 0, slope 0, that means if the angle is given there, we can find the slope with the angle also. That is, slope is equal to tan theta. In that way also we can find the slope. The slope of the tangent line is 0. That means slope tan theta is equal to 0. Tan theta is equal to 0 means theta will be 0 there. That means theta is equal to 0 means the line will be, the tangent line will be parallel to the x-axis. Theta angle 0 means it is parallel to x-axis. So in this case, the equation of the tangent at the point x naught y naught is, let us look at, equation of the tangent is y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. Then here the tangent line is parallel to the x-axis. Tangent line is parallel to the x-axis and slope is 0 there. So it becomes y minus y naught is equal to 0. So y is equal to y naught. That is, if slope of the tangent line is 0, then The equation of the tangent at the point x naught y naught is y is equal to y naught. Consider the second case. First case, theta is equal to 0 there. In the second case, if theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is equal to pi by 2 means the angle or the tangent line is perpendicular to the x-axis there. Tangent is perpendicular to the x-axis. Then what will be the slope there? Slope is tan theta, that is tan pi by 2. We know that tan pi by 2 is equal to infinity. That means tangent line is perpendicular to the x-axis or it is parallel to the y-axis. In this case, the equation of the tangent becomes, check it, y minus y naught is equal to slope. Slope is infinity. So we can write infinity as 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught. So multiply 0 to here. So we get this term becomes 0 there. So 0 is equal to x minus x naught. So x is equal to x naught. That is, if theta is pi by 2 or the tangent line is perpendicular to the x-axis, then the equation of the tangent at the point x naught y naught is x is equal to x naught. Now let us do some problems. First question. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Here, first we have to find out the slope here. Slope means we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, we have to find out the derivative of 3x raised to 4 minus 4x. X raised to 4 derivative is 4x cube. So it is 4 into 3, 12. 12x cube minus 4. dy by dx is 12x cube minus 4. Then you have to find out the slope at x is equal to 4. That means we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 4. Then substitute 4 for x here. So it becomes 12 into 4 cube minus 4. 12 into 4 cube is 768. 768 minus 4, that is 764. So the answer is 764. Second question is, find the slope of the tangent to curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Here y is given there. First you have to find out the slope there. That means we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx is x cube. Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus 1. Then you have to find out the derivative or slope of the tangent to curve at the point whose x coordinate is 2. That means put x is equal to 2. That means we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 2. That means we have to put 2 for x there. So it becomes 3 into 2 square minus 1. 3 into 2 square, it is 12. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. Answer is 11. Next question is, find the slope of a normal to the curve x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta, y is equal to b cos square theta at theta is equal to pi by 2. Here x and y is given. You have to find out the slope of the normal here. Here x and y is given with a third parameter theta here. So first x is equal to 1 minus a sin theta. From here we have to find dx by d theta. dx by d theta is equal to minus a cos theta. Then we have to find dy by d theta. dy by d theta is, b is constant. A and b are constant there. So b is constant there. Then derivative of cos square theta is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So cos square theta is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2b, constant b is there, b sin theta cos theta. Then you have to find dy by dx. As we know, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. That is, so here in numerator and denominator cos theta is there, so it will cancel, then minus and minus, so it becomes plus. So the answer is 2b sin theta by a. Here we have to find slope of the normal. As we know, slope of the normal is negative reciprocal of slope of the tangent there. So slope of the tangent, as we know, it is dy by dx. So dy by dx is 2b sine theta by a. So we have to find the slope of the tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2. Then you have to find dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2. So sine pi by 2, sine 90 is 1. So the answer is 2b by a. This dy by dx is 2b by a. So slope of the normal at theta is equal to pi by 2 is minus 1 by slope of the tangent at theta is equal to pi by 2. That is minus a by 2b. Answer is minus a by 2b. Find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Here we have to find out the point at which the tangent passes and which is parallel to the x-axis. You have to find out the point here. So first we have to find out the slope of the tangent here. That means we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx of y is 3x square minus 6x minus 9. That is, we can take 3 common from here. So it becomes 3 into x square minus 2x minus 3. So again x square minus 2x minus 3, we can write it as x plus 1 into x minus 3. Here the product should be minus 3 and the sum should be minus 2. So the terms will be x plus 1 into x minus 3. So it is 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 3. Then it is given that the tangent is parallel to x-axis. As we know, if the tangent is parallel to x-axis, then slope is 0. That means dy by dx is equal to 0. That means 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That means x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 3. Two values are there for x. Then we have to find out the points there. That means we have to find out the y coordinate value also there. X we got, that is minus 1 and 3. Then we have to find out the y value there. So when x is equal to minus 1, substitute the value of this minus 1 in y. So we get y is equal to, on solving get y is equal to 12. In the same way, put x is equal to 3 in y. We will get y is equal to minus 20. Therefore, the required points are minus 1, 12 and 3, minus 20. Next question. Find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Here also we have to find out the points on the curve and through which the tangent is passing, and a condition is there, the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Tangent is parallel. We know that if two lines are parallel, then their slope will be equal there. So here the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the 2 points. So first we have to find out the slope of the chord there. As we know, if 2 points are given, we can find out the slope using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here 2, 0 and 4, 4 are the points. So y2 minus y1, that means 4 minus 0 by x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2. So the answer is 2. That is, the slope of the chord is 2 there. Since it is parallel to the tangent, it is same as the slope of the tangent. That means slope of the tangent is also is equal to 2. Then the curve equation is given there. Y is equal to x minus 2 the whole square. So from that also we can find the slope. Dy by dx we can find. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Slope of the tangent is 2 into x minus 2 from the curve we get, and also we know that it is slope of the tangent is 2 there. So we can equate it. That is 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2. So we can solve it. X minus 2 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 3. So When x is equal to 3, we have to find out the point. So when x is equal to 3, you have to put that 3 in y. So y is equal to 3 minus 2 the whole square, that is equal to 1. Hence the required point is 3, 1. Thank you students. Rest of the topics we can continue in the next class.